In this video, I'm going to show you how to block pop-ups on Chrome. So what you want to do first is click on these three dots here at the top right corner, scroll down to settings, click on settings. Now on the settings page, click on privacy and security. Now scroll down and click on site settings. While on this page, scroll down also and click on pop-ups and redirects. Now right here you can see we have two options. First option says sites can send pop-ups and use redirects. The second one says don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. So we click on this because we want to block pop-ups. Now once this is done, you can be rest assured that sites will not be able to send pop-ups and all that again. Beneath this, we have some customization option. As you can see, it says site listed below, follow a custom setting instead of the default. What you want to do here is not allowed to send pop-ups or use redirect. So you can add sites if there are specific sites you want to give special permissions to. You can say, okay, see, I don't want this particular site to send me pop-ups. You add them here, or allowed to send pop-ups and use redirect. So if there are sites also you want to give special permission, just allow only this site or this group of sites to send me pop-ups and all that. You just add them here by clicking on this add button. You enter the site URL, click on add, and that is it. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you and see you in the next one.